I'm Caltrans Public Information Officer Gilbert Mohtes-Chan. It's been a year since a campfire roared through Butte County and the town of Paradise, burning more than 150,000 acres. Let's take a look at the recovery efforts done by Caltrans. Caltrans repaired 45 culverts, fixed guardrail, roadside signs, drainage systems, reseeded burn areas, built a temporary roundabout for debris hauling operations, removed nearly 3,100 hazardous trees along the state right-of-way on state routes 191 and 70. In addition, a springtime helicopter operation was used to help place 450,000 square feet of wire mesh drapery over slopes to prevent rocks from falling onto the roadway on State Route 70 in the Feather River Canyon area.
We're really grateful for the efforts that Caltrans has made to restore our state highways. Highway 191 up into Paradise and Highway 70 through the canyon are integral parts of transportation corridors in Butte County, and they mean a lot to the communities and the people who need to get here.
Caltrans traffic operations and safety engineers had to deal with the largest debris removal operation since the 1906 San Francisco earthquake. Cal Recycle estimated 5 million tons of debris needed to be hauled away from the Paradise area.
We have had almost 11,300 properties cleared of debris, which is phenomenal. So things are moving along.
Crews worked into the summer to complete emergency repairs on State Route 70 and 191. Improvements such as these new traffic signals are signs that recovery is underway in Butte County. For another Caltrans News Flash, I'm Gilbert Mohtes-Chan.